So friend, Nothing Phone 3 is scheduled to be introduced in global markets in July this year. The exact launch date has yet to be announced. The Carl-led UK-based OEM claims that the upcoming handset will be company's first true flagship. Pai had also previously teased the price of the smartphone. The handset is expected to retain the proprietary glyph interface like the preceding Nothing Phone 2 and Phone 1 handset. Nothing has now shared a design teaser of the Phone 3. A teaser for the Nothing Phone 3 design has been shared by the company in X post. We see a portion of the back panel which appears in a dual tone finish similar to the orange and white options of the CMF Phone 2 Pro. And in the teaser, we also see a textured area with a button-like feature, and it is unclear if the button will be functional on the Nothing Phone 3 or if it will even be a button. A texture is reminiscent of the Braille language and could hint at a more accessible design. Nothing previously claimed that the phone will be its first true flagship smartphone and will have premium materials. The handset has been teased to come with major software and performance upgrades as well, and it could get a Snapdragon 8 Elite, MediaTek Dimensity 9400 or MediaTek Dimensity 9400 plus SoC. We can expect to learn more about the phone closer to its launch. And the Nothing Phone 3 has been tipped to pack a battery larger than 5000 mAh, a Snapdragon chipset and a triple rear camera, and it is expected to get a larger primary sensor as well as the periscope telephoto shooter. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.